Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it's not often you get a nor'easter during the summertime season, but we do have one parked off the coast of Cape Cod. They're usually reserved for late autumn, winter, and early spring, but kicking up a fuss with the rain and wind, we go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. You can see how the precipitation has been backing in off the ocean, essentially from east to west, and most of the time during the summer season, our rain systems move from west to east, but this one's sort of moving in reverse, riding in on these strong east and northeasterly winds. In fact, had a wind gust to 50 miles per hour out in Nantucket, so it's been pretty windy along the south shore, but even inland areas, a blustery, cool, and wet night. Speaking of the wind, kicking up the surf at Narragansett Town Beach, this time lapse from this morning showing the seas really churned up, the poor visibility and the rain coming down sideways today. Light showers and drizzle downtown Providence at 62, northeast wind at 15, but again, still getting gusts up to 30, 35 miles per hour along the south shore, along with high humidity. Most areas now are in the low 60s, and it should stay in that general temperature range all night long, with the rain and wind continuing. Now, prior to this rainstorm for the month of August, a tenth of an inch of rain. I mean, barely the first 3 weeks of August getting any significant rain. Now, within the last 36 hours with this coastal storm, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of a much-needed soaking rain. There's the area of low pressure, the storm system now south and east of Cape Cod, kicking up the wind and the rain. This will meander for the next couple of days, actually get replaced by another area of low pressure, another storm on Wednesday. So bottom line, it's a prolonged period of gray, cool, and wet weather through at least midweek. So waking up to rain, drizzle, and fog tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the 60s, sun up around 6 in the morning. And just more of the same tomorrow afternoon. Periods of either light rain or drizzle. Temperatures in the upper 60s. This is very cool, obviously, for August. We should be 80 this time of year, but upper 60s to really not much higher than 70 with showers, drizzle, and fog, and still some gusty wind, especially along the south shore out of the northeast. Small craft advisory on the bay and a northeast wind at 15 to 25 knots. And obviously, it's not a great beach day. All right, here we are on the open Atlantic. Florida, Bermuda, the east coast of the United States, and far out is strengthening Hurricane Daniela. Now, with winds at 86 miles per hour, gusting to 104, anticipated to become a Category 3 storm, then turn into a Category 2 storm. The long-range forecast by Saturday evening has it curving back into the central Atlantic away from Bermuda. That track obviously would be good for the United States, but this is still many days away, and certainly one that is worth watching over the next several days now that we're getting into the heart of the hurricane season. And there's another system behind that one that'll more than likely develop over the next couple of days as well. WPRI.com, you can go to our interactive hurricane tracker to really track these storms in more detail. But the wet weather continues through midweek on Wednesday. Even Thursday, the chance of a shower, though we start to see some improvement with a little bit of sunshine and certainly warmer on Thursday. And we're definitely on track on Friday. The weekend looks real nice. Sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Summer is not over. 86 on Sunday, close to 90 by Monday of next week. So sort of stuck in a rut with the rain through at least Wednesday.